Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Sweden supplies airfield maintenance equipment to Ukraine to support military aviation operations. Sweden has delivered specialized equipment to support the operation and maintenance of military airfields in Ukraine, the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense said. The ministry stated that high-quality runway maintenance directly affects the safety and success of combat missions carried out by military pilots. According to the ministry, the newly delivered equipment will enable rapid and efficient runway maintenance at military airfields. It will also help ensure that airfields remain operational around the clock and in all weather conditions. The ministry said the equipment is intended to improve pilot safety during takeoffs and landings while supporting uninterrupted combat aviation operations. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense expressed gratitude to the Swedish government, Sweden's Ministry of Defense and industrial partners for what it described as consistent support. Ukraine and Sweden are also preparing to sign contracts for the delivery of Gripen fighter jets, the ministry said. The issue was discussed during a meeting between Ukraine's defense minister, Mikhailo Fedorov, and Sweden's defense minister, Paul Johnson. Earlier, Ukraine's Ministry of Defense said Sweden was preparing one of its largest military assistance packages for Ukraine. The package is expected to include air defense assets, SAR-produced radar systems and support for Ukraine's defense industry, including additional electronic warfare systems and drones with deep strike capabilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.